Today, I'm showing you 2 super useful iPhone tricks that can make your life a lot easier. First, how to turn on sound recognition, so your iPhone can listen for things like doorbells, alarms, or running water and send you instant alerts. And second, how to set up back tap, a hidden feature that lets you take screenshots just by double tapping the back of your phone. These are quick to set up, and once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's jump in. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Tap Sound and Name Recognition. And then turn on sound recognition. Tap Sounds below and enable the noises you want. Enable the noises you want monitored, such as fire, smoke alarm, water running, knock, etc. Place your iPhone centrally in the room you want monitored and keep it unobstructed for best pickup. And watch for the visual notification banner. Sound notification can be controlled in the iPhone Control Center. It can be turned off or on. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Tap Touch. Then Back Tap. Choose Double Tap or Triple Tap and assign Screenshot from the Actions list. Back Tap uses the accelerometer to detect taps on the back of iPhone and works on iPhone 8 and later when running a modern iOS release, so pick the 2 or 3 tap option that feels reliable for you. Try it now by double tapping the back of your phone. The screen will capture and save to photos the same way a normal screenshot does. If it misses, try tapping slightly firmer or switching to triple tap for fewer accidental triggers.